The world cut me out my mind, the world cut me out my mind, the world cut me out my critical time, world cut me out my mind, world cut me out my mind, world cut me out my mind, world cut me out critical. Yeah. I ain't feeling myself, talk of feeling yourself.
Good morning, guys. We are on our way now to my dad's place because we have to fix the lift back. There seems to be something wrong with, I'm hoping, is the valve spring on number 3 cylinder, but we will get there and assess the damage, and then yeah, we will film some more when we get there. Please excuse the dirty ass car. She does stand most of the time, so she gathers lots of dust in that time. I don't drive this car much, but yeah, we're just going to take a nice easy morning cruise till we get there, fix the car, and then we have something very nice to show you guys. So Jason, that you might have seen in the previous video, is currently busy with his 2-liter 8-valve Golf engine. It's a cross-flow. I think he's building it to be a mild daily street race kind of Need for Speed vibe, I'm hoping. But yeah, we're just going to, catch up with his build, see how far he's. Please excuse me, guys. I just had a technical difficulty over there, but yes, as I was saying, we're going to catch up with Jason's build, see how far he's come with his thing, and then we might have a treat for you guys today, because my buddy, one of my good friends, just finished his Mark 1 Golf yesterday. He swapped the 2-liter 8-valve in the fuel injection setup. So yeah, we are hoping to get maybe a test run on that thing. So yeah, apparently it pulls pretty good. So yeah, let's hope that it is pretty good. I forgot to mention that I have to fix this damn speedo again. I disconnected it a couple weeks ago so I can clean out the inside of the gauge cluster, but seems like I didn't put in the speedo cable into the back of the speedo properly, so sometimes it takes a while, so it's a bit wacky at the moment. It goes like, like dun 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 dun.
Stop it. Get some help.
We're nearly there, guys. So for now, I don't know if you guys can hear quite well, but the idle doesn't sound like a natural choppy cam idle sort of a deal. It's got more of like a, I don't know. So we have arrived and we are about to diagnose the problem on the lifty. Took out the battery already. As you can see, it is missing. Next thing we are going to do is remove the valve cover so that we can assess the damage by cylinder number 3. What I noticed is that
Many minutes later,
there was a misfire on number 3. I swapped over number 3 and 4 plugs to see whether the misfire moves to there, but seemed like it stayed there, so I feel like there's something funky underneath there. Then, as you can see, it's very dirty in the engine bay. I feel like it needs a cleanup, so that we are going to do as well. So yeah, this car does not drive much, so that's why she's very dirty and dusty. Don't know if you can see, but that is her. And yeah, we are going to keep you guys updated. Thank you, man.
2,000 years later.
So we finally got the valve cover off, and there is nothing wrong with the valve spring, the outer or the inner one. There's nothing wrong, so I was just tripping. So yeah, another problem that I forgot to mention earlier is the fact that the alternator is not charging properly. Or it is charging, but there seems to be a constant live on somewhere that keeps eating the battery out when it's standing. So each time I get to a spot, I need to disconnect the battery because otherwise the battery will run out. So I need to figure that out. So I'm going to pull off the alternator and change whatever is causing the issue.
2,000 years later.
Yo, so bit of a plot twist, guys. I do have to let you know that we did not finish the lifty. We are leaving that for some time in the week. I think we decided to take out the McShredder. Yes, boy. The guys are busy at the moment. Let us just show you. We are fixing our wheels. Sorry for the mess. So we are just putting in some new oil. We just drained the old one. So yeah, we're going to, Jason is just going to do that. So hi Jason.
Yo, what's up guys?
Yo, that is the ripper. So we just pulled her out, changed the oil. She is ready to roll for the day. Just had a shakedown. Yeah, so we are about to leave to the beach and we are going to have a good time. See y'all. So we're all hooked up on our way. So we arrived at the beach. Sorry, I'm sitting in the car because the wind noise is pretty bad. We're about to take rip number 1 in the McShredder. Yes, this is just a shakedown spin for the day. It's not, not still a big deal, but yeah, let's see how it goes. We'll keep you updated. I have a feeling that the Diff will be going today because it's been whining and things, so hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully it holds up. If it does, it's all part of the game, but we'll catch you guys soon.
2 minutes, man.
Jason in the McShredder, about to go for a rip to see how. What an eventful day. Did not expect to go shred today, but we did. I'm not complaining though, so we're just wrapping up for the day. We did not even get to fix the misfire on the lifty, so we are going to do that sometime in the week. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the clips. Thank you for watching and catch you next time.